Okay, so as a radiologist, what you need the most is to be able to make a panoramic and generate cross-section. Once the cross-section has been generated, what you want to do is make your report. So let's start from the beginning. I go here, select panel, dental panel. I inclinate myself in the right spot, which is here on the occlusal surface. Ungulate a little bit my yellow line. I may want to ungulate a little bit here as well to make sure that the arcades are symmetrical. Okay, that looks okay. Press OK. I select mandible. I can zoom a little bit. There we go. Reposition it, my image with the roller inside the mouth, and then start tracing with the left click the curve of the panoramic. Okay, okay. I press OK. Perfect. Now I use the filtering panoramic image. I can play with the contrast a little bit here. Always with the left click. Can clearly see my mandibular canal on both sides, which is good. Okay, I select contrast, and now I'm gonna generate my cross section. So two options. The first one is to come here and click 3 by 3. So now I see my cross section at any point where I want to see them. Or I go back to 1 by 1 and I generate automatically all the cross section. So let's do it. I go right click, add to report, and I've got this window coming up. Okay, the step is how many images you want to have every millimeters. You can increase this step or not, or leave it on 1 millimeters. Normally, it's 1 millimeter that is being used. The starting point and the ending point. So let's say that I want to start from 60 to 120. I just select here 60 and here 120. The image size 40 millimeters is actually the width on the image. Well, I can increase it if I like to, let's say 50. On the other side, what I have is, if it's ticked here, it means that we're going to have this standard panoramic view. If I want to have more panoramic, I can tick here, select 5, 7 or 9. Okay. For now, let's do just 3. Okay. RaySum and MIP is only filtering to increase contrast and luminosity. Okay, we won't use it for now. Okay. So now I'm just going to click on the export. The little progressing bar appears. Here we go. Then open report. I get a new Windows coming up. All the images that I have generated are here in CPR cross section. I've got one actual view, profile, facial, the 3 panoramic, and all the cross section here. There we go. And now, of course, I have no template here, but I can create them. So let's create one template to make your report. Okay, so I go here on edit, the little pencil icon. I go add image. Let's put one image here, one image here. This one's going to be the panoramic, let's say. This one is going to be the actual view. I can add a header with name of the patient, name of the doctor. There we go, just put it here. And I'm gonna add the cross section. Poof, here. I go right click on this case. I can increase the row and the columns. So row, I'm gonna put, let's say 5 rows. And then again right click, columns, 5 columns. There we go. Enlarge them. Perfect. Just diminish a little bit so they fit in the page. There we go. Perfect. My template is created. I go save here. I name them, let's say, a test. Okay. I deselect the pencil and my template appears here in template. The day I have more template, of course, a scrolling bar will come down and I will be able to choose the template that I like. Now I come here, select with left click, drag and drop in one box. I take one panoramic, let's say this one, drag and drop again, and then I click on the first cross section, press Shift, go down, and then click again with left click, drag and drop. A message will appear saying that automatically some pages will be created. I say OK. And now I've got all my cross section on 2-3 page with measurement on the panoramic, measurement on the arcade. You're gonna tell me, yeah, but I can't see very clearly. Okay, I can just reposition the image with a click on the roller of the mouse, here the same. Okay, and if the lines are not so distant from each other, what I can do is go in setting, here, options, and then increase the reference number position. So let's say every 15. Apply and close. And there we go. Now I see that my number a little bit clearer. I can also right click and zoom on the panoramic if I want to. Zoom on the arcade, on the actual view. Or dezoom 50%, and same here. Okay? And here we go. I can come here and print on a film. Thank you.